So for the past couple of weeks, the Eufy E28 has been my main home robot vacuum and mop. And let me tell you something, Eufy has stepped up big time with their latest entry, becoming the world's first HydroJet robot vacuum with a portable deep cleaner. Now, that may sound like a lot of words, but I'm telling you, sit tight because by the end, my goal is to get you thinking, I had no idea a robot vacuum could do that or be that cool. So to be more objective and neutral, I've rarely seen a robot vacuum take care of a big job in one pass. You have to set it to multiple passes to achieve optimal results, so keep that in mind. Now, when it comes to the Eufy E28, 5 standout features make this a highly sought-after robot vacuum and mop. First, as we mentioned before, the HydroJet system cleans the rolling mop 360 times per minute while putting 1.5 kilograms of downward pressure to remove stubborn stains. This is huge. While other robots can mop, their mops are not cleaning themselves mid-clean, so what you have is a dirty mop, just making your floors dirtier, leading to multiple redos before finally getting it done. The HydroJet system solves that, and I've always felt that with robot mops, while I appreciated the mop feature, it needs more pressure on the floors if you were really trying to get the stains out. Again, with its 1.5 downward pressure, it helps with that. Second, it's Flexi 1 portable deep cleaner. I mean, look at this. Your Eufy E28 doubles as a portable deep cleaner with a detachable water tank, which will help you remove stubborn stains on carpets, sofas, and other furniture. And it's all neatly stored on the vacuum. Third, 20,000 pascals of turbo suction power. This is on the high end compared to what's out there, and the E28 brings the pressure and almost the highest power among vacuums in the same price range. Perfect for vacuuming dusty floors and pet hair sitting deep inside carpets and rugs. All right. Fourth, it's dual spiral detangle brushes. Its dual brush design prevents hair entanglement and reduces maintenance frequency. So during cleaning, the two brushes stay close together to ensure no spots are missed. When the robot returns to the dock for self-cleaning, the brushes separate to help guide the hair more effectively into the dustbin. And last, fifth, it has a corner rover arm which extends out, reaching hard-to-reach edges and corners. Finally, giving you that 100% clean you've been looking for, instead of going back yourself and finishing up what wasn't done. This, for me, is brilliant because current robot vacuums already have the tech, so why not utilize all of it for other uses as well? Okay, let's get into some comparisons. We mentioned the HydroJet system. On my floor, I got a mess, a mix of iced tea, coffee, and some dirt. So I hope you appreciate the things that I put my floor through for you guys. Watch how the E28 self-cleaning mop cleans the area, but more importantly, you see no cross-contamination. Because the mop is continuously cleaning itself with its built-in water tank, your mop is continuously refreshed with clean water, resulting in cleaning floors and your space, compared to other robots that spread or swirl the mess. What's great is because of the downward pressure of the roller, it will even clean up dry stains as well, such as spilled juice that has been sitting or even dry shoe prints from the outside or pet footprints. The E28 has a wider mop roller, reducing the work and mess. That said, if you're specifically looking for deep cleaning of heavy stains and can compromise slightly on edge cleaning, the Eufy E28 with the longest rolling mop in the industry is a strong option. And let's not forget the E28's 20,000 pascals of suction power and corner rover. Not every mess is going to be wet. You're going to have a lot of debris building up all over the house. For my home, it's always rice, crackers, cereal, and things like that on the floors of the kitchen and dining room. And well, I don't get it. The crumbs in the kitchen are always hanging out near the cabinet, which is probably a tough spot for most robots. And as you can see, the E28 with its 20,000 pascal picks up, cleans up easily, and with its corner rover, finally gets those pesky edges. Now for you, this problem could be at other places besides the kitchen, but the point is the E28 is finally getting to those hard to reach places instead of you. Okay, the fun stuff. And let's be honest, we love our robot vacuums, but when it comes to tough or stubborn stains on your floor or carpet, it's an area that our robot vacuum and mop can let us down. But not anymore. The Flexi 1 portable deep cleaner is an industry first detachable portable deep cleaner. Here's some tech talk. So the E28 has a 3-in-1 motor turbo technology that lets the base station transform into a handheld portable deep cleaner. Like I said before, if the tech is already there, why not use it for other things? Here's how it works. Detach it, plug it in, go to your stain, and spray some fabric cleaner liquid on it. Now, to soften the dirt or stain, spray water from the pump. Once it's soft, we can start using the vacuum's powerful suction to remove the dirt or stain. Then press the self-cleaning button to self-clean, and the PDC will recycle the water in the pipeline and prevent water from flowing out of the brush head. Of course, you can use this on a carpet, a sofa, stairs, pet accidents, kid stains, or even if you have guests over and they make a mess. Let's not forget that when your E28 is docked, the base station will deep wash the mops after each session. It will then dry your mops, making sure they are ready for the next run and collect dirty water and debris from your E28. And for those of us who like things clean but don't want to clean up, the E28 offers AI obstacle avoidance. With its AI seam technology and RGB visual recognition, the robot will identify over 200 objects. So it'll do what it needs to do, go around, and keep on cleaning. With a fully featured app to tailor how and when you want your home clean, set schedules, power levels, rooms, zones, and no-go zones to fully customize how you want your space clean. All right, let me give you my final thoughts. I haven't said anything about this yet, but you may have formed your own opinion by now. I like the look of the Eufy E28. Its dark, transparent look looks stylish, techy, and interesting. And if you're looking after the environment, its 95% recyclable packaging materials and valley charging saves energy by charging during off-peak hours. The HydroJet tech is a huge welcome, and I'm all about it. And when it comes to suction, more power is the way to go, especially with 20,000 pascals. Moreover, the Eufy E28 is TUV Rainland certified and the first robotic vacuum in the industry with proven deep cleaning effectiveness. And for me, my honest reaction and surprise when taking this out of the box and setting this up was, wait, this has a portable cleaner too? So cool. If I had to give a note on the E28, it would be this. The hardware is there. It's got all the measurables, but the software and firmware may need to mature over time. Sometimes I would see it make questionable choices moving around my house. Again, not with cleaning, but just thinking and making a decision. I'm not concerned. Again, this is something that is commonly addressed in firmware. All right, hope this video helped you out. Take care, bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, if you like what's going on here, hit that like button. If you love what's going on here, hit that subscribe button and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I will see you next one. Take care, bye.